Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Stripe. Stripe is one of the best online payment platforms, but there are a lot of features in Stripe that a lot of persons don't know about. So in this tutorial, I'll be giving you a quick walkthrough of this platform. The first thing you will need to do once on stripe.com, you're either going to sign up or you're going to sign in. So if you don't have an account already on Stripe, you'll tap on sign up in the top right hand corner. If you already have an account, you could tap on sign in and you could enter your information. It is completely free to get started. Once you have signed in, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And this is how your dashboard looks. And at the bottom of the dashboard, you'll see Get Started with Stripe. So let's say, for example, you would like to receive payment from someone and you'll simply like to share your Stripe account link. Then someone could simply click on that and then send your payment. To do that, you could tap on share a payment link right here and tap on get started. Or if you would want to tap on payments in the top left hand corner right beside home, then you could tap on payment links. Once you have done that, you are going to tap right where you see create test payment link on my page. Then you will see select type. And from here you can choose whether it is a product or subscription that you want payment for, or subscription only, or you simply want to collect a donation or tip from someone. So let's say, for example, you're creating a donation page. All you'll need to do is tap on donations right here and then you could fill out the information. Now if you are selling a product, you'll tap on products and subscription. Then from there you could type in your product name. So let's say that is my product name. After I've done that, you will see description right here. I could add a description of my product and I could also upload an image if I want. And let's say I'm selling my product for $1. So whether it is a one-time payment or recurring payment, you can select it right there. After you're finished, you're going to tap on add product. Once you have tapped on add product, you can see how it looks. So you can see right here. If you would like to collect the customer address, you could tap on collect address right here, but I don't want to do that. If you want to require the customer to provide a phone number, you could do that. So if you are doing any form of business on social media, or you'll simply just like to add this to your website or so on, you could do that. And by adding custom field, you'll be able to see how it looks on the right hand menu option right here with each field that you add. You can also tap on advanced options, and from there if you'd like to add a promotional code or anything like that, you can do that. If you would like to change the call to action button from pay to, let's say, for example, book, you could tap on book and you can see right there, let's say you're selling a service, and you can also preview how it would look on mobile. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on create link in the top right hand corner. Let me do that real quick. After you have tapped on create link, you will be redirected to this page. So you can either share the link or you could share it via QR code, or if you would like to add it to your website, you could do that by simply tapping on buy button right here. You'll be able to add the buy button. Another feature of Stripe is, let me go back to the home page real quick. So I'll tap on home in the top left hand corner. You'll also be able to send invoice. To create an invoice, all you'll need to do is tap on send an invoice. Then you'll tap on create invoice in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you can enter the customer information. So you could enter the customer name or email address. Then you can enter the items. So you'll tap on items right there. Then you can either choose whether you'd like to request payment or auto charge customers. So if you want recurring payments, you could do that. Then if you like to add anything additionally in the footer option, you can do that. And you can see how it looks right here, how your invoice looks. And you can tap on email. And you can see right there how it would look via email, as you can see right here. and you can see how the payment page would look. By tapping on payment page, you can see a preview. So you'll fill in all of your information, then you'll tap on review invoice in the top right hand corner, and you'll be able to review it, and then you'll be able to share it and bill your customers. Another thing that you can also do is you can view any disputes, or you can view all your transactions by simply tapping on payments. Also, you can go up to the top left hand corner and you'll be able to add or create customers. So you could tap on add customer in the top right hand corner and you'll be able to add new customers, and you can create multiple products that you can sell using Stripe. All you have to do is tap on products, and you can see the first example product that I had created for $1. If you wanted to create a new product, you could tap on add product in the top right hand corner. You can also create coupons using Stripe by tapping on coupons, then tap on create test coupon if I want. You can also create pricing table to add to your website if you want by tap on pricing table. Then you could also create a pricing table. And if you would want even more features and you would like to integrate it on different websites or so on, you could tap on connect right here. Once you have tapped on connect, you can scroll down and you will see the option to get started with connect. So you'll be able to integrate this as a payment method on different marketplaces or e-commerce platforms or so on. As you can see, you'll be able to accept payments with Stripe partner with no code requirement. And you can see some of their top partners are Squarespace, WooCommerce, Wix, and so much more. You'll be able to integrate Stripe on numerous platforms. And if I were to tap on more, you can see the different features that they offer. Sales tax, you can also connect it to other payment platforms as I said earlier. You can also set up a data pipeline. By scrolling down, you can see the different features. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.